In marine bio, we've been focusing on learning about how our ecosystems here affect each other and how everything is interconnected. We finally had the opportunity to go down to Paʻēpaʻē and actually see with our eyes how invasive species are affecting not only the health of the stream itself, but the health of the ecosystems downstream.
We don't have a lot of time out here today, so we don't want it to feel rushed. I want it to feel intentional.
Essentially, Paʻēpaʻē, there's basically 3 different stations that you have. People that have a net, you are the Mauka team, and part of the Mauka team is just to herd whatever fish into nets that are downstream. So you'll have people that are holding individual nets further downstream, and that's the Makai team. Or in between the Mauka team and the Makai team, you have a Paʻēpaʻē team in the middle of both of them. So the Makai team is staying still, the Mauka team is moving downstream and chasing everything into the Makai nets, and the Paʻēpaʻē are also doing chasing, but they have PVC pipes. Chase whatever fish is buried in the mud, out of the mud, and eventually they'll get pushed by the Mauka nets into the Makai nets. After you do the Paʻēpaʻē, you scoop up everything in those nets and you take it outside the stream to analyze it. The most important species that we were looking for were aholehole and ho'opu because of the huge role that they play in our native ecosystems.
Can I see what you got? Thank you, perfect.
Some of the biggest invasive species are the catfish, lots of different species of tilapia, crayfish, and lots of mollies.
Today is the first day in like 6 years that we saw more natives than invasives. The IBI score that we talked about in class, it changes as soon as we leave the site based on the work we did. But you guys just did that. You know, we measurably changed it for the better. And if we keep coming, it can even go further.
What's truly inspiring about this initiative is that we get to work with schools upstream like Manoa Elementary and Palolo Elementary. We get to do the same meaningful work that we're doing downstream with them. We get to see these next generations of students learn how to care for this ahupua'a that we all call home.
Being able to look at data going all the way back from 2016 is awesome because it shows that it's actually working and that we're actually making progress. I think it's incredible personally that we're able to have these kinds of activities built into the curriculum. As a Kanaka, it gives me hope that we're able to restore our ancestral ecosystems. It's great that we're working with elementary students because it's all about planting seeds and allowing them to see that their work, it's going to have an impact on their life, generations to come.